have a lot. That's probably not even all the ones that you have. You probably have more than that.
I think they're all in there. $400 each.
You're not cheap, so I don't have very many of them. Not as many as I wanted.
So what'd you do today, Grammie? Anything?
Mother and Linda took me in my car.
Mm-hmm.
They took me where?
Get your hair done?
No, to the dentist.
Oh, okay.
I think they called or something.
Mm-hmm.
But they didn't do anything to me when I got there.
They didn't look at your teeth or anything? Maybe a teeth cleaning or no?
No, I had one of those. The last one was there.